In this next clip, we'll start to tune towards the tailbone, and then we'll connect it with that little bit of understanding that we got in the back of the heart and the shoulder joints in our last clip. So first step, maybe just with the knees bent, heels in line with the sit bones, let your legs rock a little bit side to side. Windshield wiper. As you inhale, knees come center. As you exhale, knees fall to the side. Just allowing that to sort of let the sacrum and the hips know what's coming. Always polite. Then eventually find your way back up to center, and just so that it might be more clear, because it can be subtle. Put my shirt up a little bit. So with your awareness on your tailbone, bring your hands to your pelvis just for a moment so you know where it is. Okay, then let your hands come down along your side. Inhale here, and as you exhale, root down through the heels, curl the tailbone towards the knees, so the low back is pressing into the earth, the navel slightly coming back to the spine. And as you inhale, roll the pelvis forward, let that lengthen the belly, let that arch the low back. Okay, about a handful more rounds. As you exhale, curling the tailbone under, letting that press your low back towards the earth. And as you inhale, rolling that pelvis forward, drawing that low back up. Couple more rounds, like be geeky about it. Get good at really being able to move from your tailbone. And as you start to get a sense of being able to move from your tailbone, can you connect your mind's eye to what else happens in the body? So that as the tailbone moves forward, you notice what that does to your heart and your upper back? And as the tailbone curls under, do you notice what that does to your upper back? Okay. Nice. Beautiful. Let it come back to neutral and pause. Okay. Now as you've found neutral and you're settling your back towards the floor, then begin to stretch out through the legs. And tune the legs as if you were standing in Tadasana. So flex the feet, draw the toes towards you. Let the inner thighs roll in a bit, pressing out into the outer ankles. And on an inhale, reach the arms up over the top of your head with the thumbs pressing towards the floor. Now, lengthen through the heels, lengthen back through the thumbs, back through the fingertips, and overdo the opening in the heart. Like do that too much. Feel what your low back does. Notice how it comes up off the earth and the tailbone wants to roll towards the heels. Can you maintain that opportunity that you've got in the heart as you let a happen, an exhale breath with a loud ha sound? Do that to help draw that tailbone towards the heels. So you're lengthening your low back as you're opening up through the heart. Okay, notice what that involves in the belly. Okay, a couple more moments. Soften the jaw. Notice what's being asked of the shoulders, what's happening in the body. Last couple beats. Excellent. And then at ease. Let your knees bend. Hug your knees into your chest. Wobble it a little bit. Cross the ankles. Inhale, roll back. Exhale, roll it up to sitting. Nice. And we'll continue in the next clip. Love.